Hello everyone, my name is Mia, a sales manager from Big Herdsman. Today I will introduce our Male Trough Feeding System. It's a feeding system specifically designed for male breeders, covering both grandparent and parent stock. When it comes to feeding accuracy, we are also industry leading. The minimum feed volume on one side can be precisely set as low as 365 grams per meter. Starting with efficiency, this system delivers feed quickly, up to 42 meters per minute, with continuously adjustable speed. The trough is made from 1.2 mm thin hot dip galvanized steel, offering excellent rust resistance. For instance, the trough edges are inwardly rolled, smooth and safe for the birds. The unique slither dip chain, combined with high-speed operation, leaves virtually no feed residue. And that concludes today's introduction to the Male Trough Feeding System.